Obey the Lord, be humble, and you will get riches, honor, and a long life. Sensible people will see trouble coming and avoid it, but an unthinking person will walk right into it and regret it later. If you love your life, stay away from the traps that catch the weak along the way. Teach children how they should live, and they will remember it all their life. If you plant the seeds of injustice, disaster will spring up, and your oppression of others will end. Be generous and share your food with the poor. You will be blessed for it.